Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6 chapter 11 angles and their properties exercise 11B question number 1. In the given figure, which setting will the pointer face after it turns? Okay, so you can see here, this is the pointer, right, the arrow, and this is the things that are written around it. Off, very cold, cold, cool, normal, warm, hot, very hot, and then off. Okay, so right now it is at off, as you can see. Now it is asking us if the pointer will turn 45 degrees clockwise from normal in the first part, then where will it face? Where will the mouth of the pointer be? Where will the pointer turn to which setting? Okay, so first of all we'd like to see what are these. In the previous exercise we have studied about angles, right, like these, right, and many types of angles, and now we will study how to measure them, right? What is the unit? So this, can you see? I'll make a dot here. You are seeing there are numbers written like 45 here, and then a dot is put on the top. So 45, what is this read as? This is 45 degrees. This is the standard, this is the unit of measure, right? One unit that we use to measure angles is degrees. Okay, this one, degrees, and it is indicated by putting a dot on top of the number, right? Now see, we are going to understand what are revolutions. Okay, so forget about these angles now. For now I will make a simple thing, a very simple example. Okay, a circle here, and inside the circle there is one pointer like this. This is my start, right? Now when my point has not moved, right, when we haven't moved in a circular rotation, right, this is fixed over here, it is not moving. From here it is moving here or here. So when we have not moved, when we are at that original position only, then this is at 0 degrees, right? 0 degrees. When I will move it clockwise, clockwise means with the direction of the clock. If you have seen, clock goes like this, 12, right, then 3, then 6, then 9, and then back to 12. So this is called clockwise, and if you call anti-clockwise, it is 12, 9, 6, 3, and back to 12. So we are going to go clockwise here, and if I go about this much, right, this much, right, can you see this is 90 degrees? What 90 degrees? 90 degrees is called as 1/4, right? 1/4 of the revolution, right? That means we are covering 1/4 part of the figure. Can you see closely? If I see here, this is one part, and if I can see there is another part here like this, then another part here like this, and then another one here. So if you can see, there are 4 other parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts in total. Okay, suppose I have it like this, right? Now see, one part we have covered, there are 3 other parts, total 4 parts, one part we have covered. That's why 90 degrees is called 1/4 of the rotation, right? This is when you are going 90 degrees. Now I'll erase it more and see, if I go straight, right, just simple straight, nowhere else. This is my pointer. We are going clockwise. It goes from here, here until here. Again, this is straight line. Okay, although it's not straight, I'll make it straight a bit, but it's actually straight line. Imagine it. So we have come from this way all the way till here. It's forming a straight line. Half of the what circle is covered in this rotation, half. That's why this is called 180 degrees. This is half of revolution. 180 degrees we have moved, and this is half. This is exactly 180 degrees. Okay, and if you go even further, that means if you go from 0, right, as I was saying, this is the original one, and if I go all the way from 0, 3/4 at once, like this, then what is this? This is 270 degrees. 270 degrees is covering how many parts? See, 1, 2, 3. this one is not covered, we have come from here. So this is 3 out of how many parts? 3/4. 3/4 of the revolution, right? And last one is what? When you go all the way, right? Forget about this. You come from here, starting point, you come here, and you extend this and you come back at the starting point like this. So what has happened? You have actually covered all the 4 parts all the way till here. So this is called 360 degrees. This is one complete rotation. Okay, one complete rotation. So you have come from the starting point back to the original point. This is 360 degrees. So in a circle there are always 360 degrees, and out of which there are degrees that are dividing it in 90. 90 degrees is 1/4 of rotation, 180 degrees is 1/2 of the circle, and 270 degrees is 3/4 of the circle, and 360 degrees is one complete rotation. So same thing over here as well. And if I tell you more, there are 45 degrees and 135 degrees, as you can see in the equation. So 45 degrees is nothing, it is half of 90 degrees, right? See here, this is 190 degree, and if I draw a line in between, so this much part is 45 degrees, right? I'll tell you how to do this. 45 degrees, right? It is basically 1/8 of the revolution. Okay, 1/8 revolution when you are moving 45 degrees, because if you divide 360 by 45, you get what? 8 as your answer. All right, now we'll solve the questions as well here, so have a look yourself and see this. I'll erase this. Now see the first part, what does it have to say here? This is 45 degrees from normal. So which setting will the pointer face after it turns 45 degrees clockwise from normal? This is my pointer, and they have said your pointer is at normal. So forget this pointer. My pointer right now is here at normal. I'll make a different pointer. Now how much or where will it face, right, if it goes from 45 degrees clockwise? So it says 45 degrees clockwise. First of all, what is clockwise? So clockwise is from this way, following the direction of the clock. So it will go from right to left here. Okay, 45 degrees means what? 1/8 of the figure. Okay, can you count how many parts are there in this figure? You can see they are divided into equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 parts. Total is 8, and you have to move 45 degrees. I said 45 is what? 1/8. 45 degrees is 1/8 of the circle. Okay, so you have to go basically one part forward. Okay, here in clockwise direction you have to go to the next setting, next label that is written. And what is written after this will turn? Where will you land? Just to the next pointer. So you have come to warm. So your answer becomes what? Warm. Then see, 135 degrees anti-clockwise from off. Now we are back at the original point as it is there in this figure. So I'll erase this pointer for avoiding confusion. Okay, see here what this was written here. Now we have to go 135 degrees anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means this way, opposite, right, from here to here. So we have to go from this way, like this, opposite to the direction of the clock. 135 degrees means what? 135 degrees, if you see, you divide 135 by 45. What do you get here? 1 and 3. So 135 goes 3 times by 45. That means you have to go 3/8 of the revolution. Why? This means what? 1/8 is 45 degrees. Therefore 3/8 will be equal to, you have multiplied 1/8 by 3, so multiply 45 by 3, which is what? 135. So if you go 3 settings to the anti-clockwise direction, you will land on your answer. Okay, or you can just say 3 parts. Okay, if you skip 3 parts and come to the next point, you will get your answer. That is going to be 135 degrees anti-clockwise. That is what? See here, you have, this is the first part, the second part and the third part. So where does my pointer come again? It comes at warm, same like the previous one. So here also my answer becomes warm. Then you have 360 degrees anti-clockwise from hot. Now the pointer is at hot. Okay, this pointer now it is at hot and it has to go 360 degrees anti-clockwise. I said what? 360 degrees anti-clockwise. Anywhere you find 360 degree, it means a complete rotation, complete circle is going to be formed after it is rotating. And since it is anti-clockwise, in which direction you will go? This way, opposite to the direction of the clock, here. Okay, so that means 360 means complete. So you just go here, here, and you're back to the original point. You will always be back to the original point when you are going 360 degrees. So you get your answer as hot. And fourth is 270 degrees from cold. Again, this is cold and you have to go 270 degrees. Now see this. Okay, this is my pointer here at 270 degrees. Here cold, 270 degrees clockwise, so this way. And 270 degrees means what? This is 270 degrees, that is 3/4 of your part. 3/4. Okay, 3/4 means you will leave 1/4, rest entire you will move. You can't go to this part because it will be more than 3/4. So you come at off. Okay, so the final answer becomes what? Off. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.